So as you can see, it's new blockchain wallet and it has zero balance. Okay, it's new wallet. Okay, so and this is the transaction. Okay, and it's 0.00405364. They're approximately $385. Okay, we're gonna confirm into my wallet. Okay, just right click and then go to inspect. Wait for a few seconds to completely open that. Okay, and then click to console. Okay, there's some warning you need to read before using script. Okay, read that carefully and then clear everything from here and then paste the script over here. Let me paste the script. Select all, right click, copy your script, minimize it, and then paste your script over here. Paste, press the enter button. After you press the enter button, box pops up open here, and this is our unconfirmed transaction. We just need it hash ID. We can copy from here, copy to clipboard, or we can copy from here from 17176 to the end. Okay, yeah, we just copied from here. Okay, and then paste it over here. Paste, click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yes, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK. Close everything from here, and before click refresh, I just wanted to let you show this is the only real channel that I own. Other all channel are fake. People took my videos and add them and upload their channel to scam innocent people, so be aware from that. That's why I put my number on the screen. There you can see this is my number on the screen. Yeah, and then just refresh the balance to see the magic. So there you can see our payment received successfully in the wallet. So let me show you the date. It's Saturday, 17 January 2026. Okay, let me scroll it up and down because of watermark of the number. There's number watermark. Okay, you can see it's Saturday, 17 January 2026. Okay, let me show you the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but let's see. It will take maximum 1 hour. Let's see that. Yeah, it's confirmed. It's 100% confirmed, as you can see now, and it's the same transaction as you can see. Okay, and yeah, BTC rate fluctuates sometimes because, as you know, BTC rate is so high, so it gets up and down, pump and low. Yeah, you know that. So let me refresh this once again for you, so you can see it will be changed. Yeah, it's the same, near about 385.48, and there 66. Yeah, that's the difference. But let me refresh again to see again. As you can see now, it's changed with the BTC rate. Okay, so yeah, it's changed on every refresh. As you know, BTC rate is so high and it pumps and down. Yeah, okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next one. Okay.